This quick honest review is of the Dropps Laundry Detergent Pods, 64 count, and this is it does have a slight fragrance called Fresh Start. Let me show you. These laundry detergent pods are super convenient. So they come, you can see in the box here, I've got a whole bunch of these laundry detergent pods. You just take one of them, throw it in with your laundry load, and you can wash it all different cycle temperatures from cold right through to hot. As I said, very, very convenient. You're not having to mess around with with powder or trying to measure out the right amount or stuff like that. These are super convenient. I like the packaging too. It's all great for the environment, fully recyclable cardboard packaging, so there's no waste. See this sort of the list of ingredients here. I'm not going to read them all out, but you can have a look at that. Price point on Amazon, these run at around about $26. There's 64 in this container, 64 little pods. So these are going to last you quite a while, obviously depending on how much laundry you do, but this is going to definitely last you quite a while, and I think it's very good value for the money. They do have some other sizes as well. There's a 36 count, I believe there's a 140 count and 160 count, and they also do an unscented, sensitive skin version as well. Overall, I really like these. Gonna give them 2 thumbs up. Price point is good, and they work very, very well. Thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.